Neuro-linguistic programming. It is the tool to have great change in your life. So I am here to explain the 6 basic pillars, the 6 basic tenets of neuro-linguistic programming. So hey guys, this is Naveen and you are here because you have a spark inside yourself to do great things. So without delay, let's get started. There are 6 basic pillars, 6 basic stepping stones, or 6 basic you can call tenets that define the base of the NLP theory, neuro-linguistic programming theory. I'll go through them one by one and explain them to you with as much clarity as possible. So the first pillar is taking charge of you. Now what does it mean? It means that whatever happens in your life, whatever happens in your life or outside your life, these are two different things. But what happens to you is specifically your responsibility. Every situation, every outcome, every result, or every bad thing, every good thing, these are all your responsibility. You have to take charge of yourself. You have to accept the responsibility that you have your own control. You are the master of your fate, you are the captain of your soul. Now the second things are presuppositions. What are presuppositions? Presuppositions are like assumptions in our minds. These are maybe classified as beliefs in our minds. Basic beliefs about the world, about other things. The word presupposition implies presuppose. That means we are presupposing things that are actually outside in the world, but may be different. But we are presupposing them as supposed to be something. So these presuppositions are actually the map within our minds that define how we will counter the territory, how we will be guided in the territory. These serve as a guide to our day-to-day living. So we have to take charge of these presuppositions in order to get through life and define a much higher level of life. Now the third thing is rapport. In order to get anything in life, we will need the help of people. We cannot do it alone. We are social creatures and we will specifically need help of other people who will be definitely better than us. So rapport, so that we establish trust, we establish connection, we establish communication with them, so that we can enhance each other and act on a synergical basis. We can complement each other and help each other in achieving each other's goals and moving towards something. So in the NLP theory, there are techniques to help you build rapport with other people. It defines you when you are in a flow state with other people and when you are out of that, so that you can keep track of how these social situations are helping you or moving away from your desired objectives. Now NLP is a tool to get to your desired results. So desired result is very important. That's where the fourth pillar of NLP comes into play. That is outcome. NLP is very much focused on the outcome of the tasks you are doing or the projects you are doing. It says that you must constantly have to recheck and keep in mind what is your desired outcome of anything you are doing. You must not do anything that doesn't have the trajectory to your already desired objective. Now you must also take feedback. What do I mean by that? Most of the times what happens is we have a limited scope of knowledge in our minds. We know certain things and are unaware of most of the things in the world. So how do we learn? We learn by taking feedback. We try something and show it to someone else and ask some opinions or create some posts or anything. And we get feedback from the world how it is, how we have made that, how great it is that we have made. So the feedback corrects our trajectory if we are doing anything wrong or we are going the wrong way. So that is called feedback. And the last thing is flexibility. When you are proceeded on a journey trying to achieve something, you have decided a goal. There, the outside world is like a very messy place, and things will come into play that will throw you off balance or create certain difficulties for you. In those times, you must be flexible enough so that you can change your trajectory and you can change yourself so that the things are aligned again and you focus again on your objective. So these were the 6 basic pillars of NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming, to help you control your mind and get in control of yourself so that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. So hey guys, I hope I have provided you with a tool to help you get more in control of yourself, to help you empower yourself. So thank you.